Welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today I'm reviewing the Orly Pop Collection. It is a pop art themed collection. First thing I want to talk about is, you know how in the last video I complained about packaging? This is perfect packaging. Came in a bigger box, had a smaller box in it, everything slides out, and it's held in place by double-sided sticky tape. The only other thing that was in that box was paper that could be recycled, which is awesome. First color, Just an Illusion. Make sure you stay till the end of the video because I'm instating a new 1 to 5-star rating system, and you'll only be able to see it at the end of the video with swatches. So the first color, Just an Illusion, is a holographic topper. I wasn't sure when I saw it in the bottle because it has a lot of color in the base, so it kind of surprised me. I honestly was not sure if it was going to be a topper or not, but it is a topper. I did do 3 coats. It builds nicely, but honestly I like the Holo Taco one better, so I would recommend that one over this one. The next color is Claim to Fame. It does pass my first yellow criteria, which is I do not want my nails the color of Homer Simpson's face. So it is not that color, although it does kind of look like it in here. It is not. I would definitely say it's a darker yellow, but it's not that really awkward, just the Homer Simpson color. But it's also not that like highlighter neon yellow, which I'm not a fan of. I know some people love it. It just doesn't look great on me, so it's not one of my favorites. But I do kind of like this one. It does have some shadow spots in it though. I might have been able to get rid of that with 3 coats, but you know how I feel about 3 coats. So the next color is Connect the Dots, and we're going to breed my polishes again. This is like if you took a strawberry and mixed it with just a tiny bit of coral. I love this color. I looked through my collection and actually don't have anything like it. It's very unique to my collection because it's almost strawberry, but it has that little oomph to make it a little bit neon. Really nice polish, 2 coats. The formula's lovely. It's great. I love this name, Don't Pop My Balloon. And I also love this color. Now it is, it's a Barbie pink, I think. I mean, it does have a hint of kind of a violet tone to it, but it's pretty pink. And it's this metallic finish to it, but then it dries matte too. So it's like a demi-metallic matte in my opinion. I loved it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. You're going to see it dry at the end with the rating stuff, so you'll be able to see the finish on it. I loved it. Crash the Party. I also love this. I keep talking about this too. Orly keeps putting out these really pretty purples, and I always like them. And then when I go to do nail art, I never use purple, and I don't know why. It's my favorite color. I should do it. But this polish is absolutely beautiful. The formula is fantastic. This one also dries in that kind of matte texture, but with metallic behind it. It's beautiful. I love it. Rinse and Repeat. This one's just a matte. I'm sorry, it's not a matte. It's a creme polish. It does not have a matte finish on it. It is just a standard finish. The original swatches, or when I do swatches, I don't normally top coat them unless it's holographic. So when you see it, that's really how it looks. No top coat or anything like that. This one was a 2-coater. Really nice. Great formula. I was nervous that it might stain a little bit because it kind of reminds me of a Sinful color polish that stains like crazy. But I haven't tried it on my natural nails, but I have never had that problem with Orly either. Now, there were 2 bonus items in this one. The first one is a dotting tool. It's fine. They're teeny tiny. I don't hate it, but I'm not excited about it. That's just being honest. And the extra exclusive to the Color Pass program is Don't Be Square, which is a shaped topper. I think they're cute. They're not really my style, but I can see it would absolutely be adorable on top of this collection. I see that. Like, I like it for the collection. They suspend nice in the formula, but if it was me, I would probably put them on like a little stone or something and do more like a glitter placement with them. But I don't mind it. It's just not something I see myself reaching for, but there's nothing wrong with it. So it's just kind of me, meh. And I did give that one 3 stars because of it did get shadowy. And again, you could do a 3rd coat, but I don't want to do a 3rd coat. I don't. I think polishes should be 2 coats. Unless you're building up a topper, maybe something like that. The first one I gave 3 stars to as well, just because I think the Holo Taco topper is better. And they're similar in price. Holo Taco is more expensive, but I do really love their holographic toppers. I know I fuss about the white a lot because I hate it, but I do love the toppers from Holo Taco, so I would recommend that over this one. But I like the collection overall. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.